Makosa kama iko, tunakubali makosa iko. Lakini wafanye hivi, wapee magari bond, tupelekwe safari venye tulikuwa tunaenda. Ni nini wanatuzuia? Hata ni wangapi wanafanya makosa hapa Kenya na hata ni wakubwa na wanapewa bond. Kwa nini tuzuiliwe hapa? Ama wataturisha sisi wote? Makosa kuna wapee hizi magari bond, tupelekwe safari au wabaki na wenye magari wakifanya makesi zao. Na mamzigo. Sisi tuko na mamzigo bwana. Mzigo utakuwa aje? Ama watupe magari zenye zinatupeleka. Sisi hatukatai.
Sema ati hakuna hiyo thermogun, lakini hakukuwa na excess. Na watu walikuwa na max. Ingekuwa ni sawa, tumelindwa ni sawa, lakini ile kitu wangefanya, wameshika details ya driver, wangewacha driver apeleke watu arudi ngari station. Juu hakuna vile anaweza enda mahali popote, wameshika document zake zote, gari kila kitu yote. Silikundogo watu na arutisha ngari station. Hata nafikiri beleni sheria zinakuanga hivyo, kama uko na abiria wakishika ngari wakiweka huko wakutafutie gari ikusafirishe kupeleke mahali ulikuwa naenda.
We've come out with the county security team to monitor the COVID-19 protocols compliance levels. And I want to confirm that looking around you see that too many of our public transport operators are flouting the COVID-19 protocols. Cases of COVID-19 are on the increase in the country and in Kiambu in particular. So far, 3,415. That's the total number that has already been affected by infected by this pandemic. Yesterday we had 94. 94 is quite a high number for any county to manage. And so far we've lost 117 people through COVID-19. And as leaders we cannot sit by and watch as people flout these protocols, as the number of infected increases, as more and more people die. Well, they're dying because people are not following the regulations.
We're able to impound a total of 66 motor vehicles, 21 along Kenyatta Road, 45 along Garissa Thika Highway. And in most of these vehicles, they are not compliant in terms of COVID-19 regulations and the Public Health Act. Therefore, we have impounded, and this vehicle will be here until they will be inspected. And to ensure that they are compliant, that's the time when we are going to release. We have also issue of compliance, a certificate of compliance, they don't have. Some of them, the certificate of compliance is valid for 30 days, only 30 days. So most of these vehicles have not met the validity test. Some of these vehicles were inspected in July, others in April, May. So we cannot allow them to operate. That's the situation on the ground. I'm telling the general public that their safety matters a lot. It is rather better to be inconvenienced than getting a death certificate. You don't know the person sitting next to you. You don't know when you can get infected. And COVID-19 is real. Therefore, we cannot compromise. This is a decision that we have made as the County Security Committee, and we are not going to